Hey everybody, here today to talk to you about this awesome threshold handicap ramp that we picked up. You can see it is an all metal construction. It's got removable slats in the middle to be able to elevate it up off of the surface. Great for thresholds on doors. Can be used for strollers, wheelchairs, really anything that you need to be able to roll over a threshold or any elevated surface. It can also be adjusted to accommodate stairs, so it would help you get up any inclined surface. What you want to do is take that middle section, set it right over top of the threshold that you're trying to overcome with the ramp. You can see how that sets nice and flat now and transfers the weight right directly in the middle. Go over that threshold between the two surfaces. It's got a nice tread on it so that you don't have to worry about any slipping. Very grippy, and it's going to hold very well as you go over top of that. Super easy to use. Just push the wheelchair or the stroller right over top of that. It's going to stay in place. You can see moving it around. It will move side to side with the metal, but it's not going to move forward and backwards as you're going over top of it. If you are looking for a great threshold ramp like this one, I highly recommend it.